Hey guys, this is Nehemiah's channel. So today we're gonna do some singing. So what song do you think I should do? Make sure to subscribe, but let me think.
Alright, guys.
Let me think.
That's gonna be the end of this episode. Bye. Don't forget to
If you're listening, this is my brother.
Yeah, he's
So,
AFK right now.
I'm about to sing. Let me think. This is a song I made up. I call it Ocean Breeze, Come Back to Me.
Yes,
Ocean Breeze, come back to me. Ocean Breeze,
No, shoot that guy. He's reviving.
come back
right there,
to
right
me.
Shoot him.
Ocean
There you
Breeze,
go.
come back to me. Ocean
Just
Breeze,
one guy.
come back to me. Ocean Breeze, come back to me, please. Ocean Breeze, Ocean Breeze, come back to me. Ocean Breeze, come back to me. Please, I will be waiting. I love you, the ocean breeze. It is amazing.
Sorry, you guys.
Ocean breeze, it is
leaving?
the best. I love ocean breeze. Ocean breeze, come back to me. So, that's the end of the song for now. I'm going to go take you to my dad.
Is that Apple to go?